What is up, guys? So in today's video we are going to be trying to geocache for money. Yes, I know you've never heard of this, but what is geocaching? Geocaching is an app where people hide their own treasure and they put stuff in it. This could be anything from Pokemon cards to just a rock, even like used gum. But here's the thing, sometimes you can actually find money in this app and in these treasures that you find. When you get a geocache, you're actually supposed to put something back into the geocache, so it would be pretty hard to get profitable on it. But let's say we find a Pokemon card that's worth like $3. Well, then I can just put in something equivalent to $3 that I don't need anymore. And then boom, we just sold that Pokemon card for $3. But also we can just find money in general and I can just put an item back in and this would still be giving back something to the geocache. Now let me show you what the app looks like. So basically those green circles are the ones that you can get. That's their free membership. But then the gray ones are the premium membership, which I tried out. It's up here and I actually tried to look for money on their premium membership as well. And the results were kind of crazy. $1, $2. Well, that's enough talking. Let's just get right into this video. All right, guys, so I'm currently walking to the first geocache. This one's not too far, but let's see if we can make some money on this one. Damn, yo! All right, well, I'll see you guys when I'm there. So it should be over there somewhere. Too sure, all the way down there by that like art thing. Now here's the thing with geocaching. All of these caches took me up to 20 minutes just to find. That's excluding piss breaks, walking to each cache. Now with walking and everything, this video took me around 3 hours just to get to all these caches and finding them. And almost 2 of them out of the 5 I did not find, which really sucks, and I actually had to cut out a bunch of footage. So if you're gonna be geocaching, make sure that you have a lot of spare time, or you just don't really have anything else to do with that time and you're just trying to kill it with some fun game. All right, boys and girls, we just made it, and as I was looking around, I turned around, I'm like, this is an interesting pole. What is that green thing? Some green thing sticking out right here, and apparently this is the first geocache. And I'm gonna tell you guys what's in. Here goes nothing, so we're spinning it. Might be a, oh. So there's obviously no money in this one. We unroll it and it has all the, someone just found this 2 months ago, but it was a super easy one to find. All right, so this next one says it's down this random road. Kind of sketchy, but it's fine. All right, guys, it should be behind this sign right here. So I guess we'll see right now. So I assume it would be behind this sign. It isn't. So I looked behind this area because there's no grass. I'm not sure if it's here or not. After 10 long minutes of trying to look for this geocache, I did not find it. That means in the geocache app, I had to select this option on it that says DNT or did not find. And this really sucks because I spent almost 20 minutes looking around the grass, climbing in bushes, just to figure out that there might not even be a geocache there. Now that's what you gotta expect when you play the game geocaching, but you gotta expect this to happen and you gotta always imagine that you're not gonna find it, because when you do find it, it's much more rewarding. It's like fishing. After an hour you catch a fish, you want to keep on fishing. So this next geocache gave me this hint right here, and it was really obvious to find, but here's the thing. The hint that they gave was actually just call me later or call me my love. And then there's a light pole right there, or I guess an electrical pole, telephone pole, whatever you guys want to call it. And then I go over to the review photos and there's people standing in front of it with this massive geocache. So I was super excited to go to this geocache and find it, but what I ended up finding was this dead bug. I'm looking for the cache. Look at this creepy ass bug I just found. For some reason I could not find the geocache. Everyone else found it. I saw maybe 2 people saying they couldn't find it, and guess what? I'm one of them now. Alright guys, so after that obvious hint, I'm assuming it's on the cell phone tower, so hopefully I don't get shocked and killed. Also, it's this random guy's house, but not sure where it would be. I don't know if I want to touch this dude's house. So this next one supposedly is at this church right here. So let's see if we can find it. Hopefully there's some cash. All right guys, we made it to the church. But what's this brick? Sus. What? We found the cash. What? We might have just found some money, boys. Guys, so after a little research, these are actually check codon right here, and both of these are worth about $2 each. So I'll show it on the screen right here how much these are worth and the Google image of what they actually are. All right guys, once again, I do not take any of the money. Oh! that I find in this video. So thank you, $4. Someone else finds that. So at the end of the day, we had made around $4 and we didn't find any objects, just the calling list. But we did find the geochron, which were super valuable. That's pretty cool and I really respect that. So I had to leave them there for the next person to find. But here's my reasoning why you guys shouldn't geocache if you're trying to make a profit. I found $4 within 3 hours. That's making like $1 and like 25 cents per hour. I mean, that's pretty bad. Honestly, just get a job at McDonald's and you'll be balling out compared to that. But if you want to geocache for fun and have the chance to find hundreds of dollars, well then do it. Geocache isn't meant to find money, it's meant to have fun. And that's why this video right here shows me finding actually more money than a minimum wage in geocaches. So make sure you go check that out. It's a really good video and I do find a lot of treasure. And I'll see you guys next time.